for you to create wealth, I believe there's three stages, three pillars of how you can create wealth. Well, the first one will be for you to become an entrepreneur. And how do you become an entrepreneur? By developing and by learning the craft that you are in, becoming the true technician, and be able to gather and get the people around you that really are going to help you scale the business. The second pillar would be for you to become an investor. Just like Warren Buffett, something that I always learn and kind of admire from Warren Buffett is that he never owned a business. He's always been an investor. And this is something that I learned from Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone says the person that really makes the money is the person that invests into the business, not the business owner. And the third one is for you to become an influencer, meaning how becoming an influencer will allow you not to just make money, but to open the doors. People want to know that they're doing business with someone that is an authority. Like that, you will be able to meet the right people at the right moment that could take your business to the next level. I believe these are the three pillars of wealth that you can focus on today.